So, you found yourself stuck at the side of the road with a flat tire. What are you going to do about it? Call roadside assistance. Call the NRMA. Not today. Today you'll be watching this YouTube video that shows you how to correctly get you on your way again. Step 1 is to apply your anti-gravity grease. You have to make sure you install this in the correct direction, which is up. If you do this wrong, your car will start moving or it will get heavier. So just remember the anti-gravity grease rhyme. Anti-gravity, always up. Now that your grease is correctly applied, it should now be easy to lift the car off the ground. Now with the wheel safely off the ground, you can now go about removing your wheel nuts. Now this is simpler than you might think. Firstly, you need to determine the brand of tyres that you have. In this case, I have BF Goodrich tyres. The next step is to download the appropriate app from either the Apple Store or Google Play. As you can see, this is the app that applies to my tyres. And with that downloaded, once you've connected to your wheel nuts, you can press the unlock button and unlock your wheel nuts one by one. Simple as that. And if that's done properly, you should just be able to tap the release button and your wheel should fall off. At this point, you've already called Uber driverless tyres, but as I'm sure you've seen the reviews, these can take a while to arrive and are somewhat inaccurate. From here, it's a simple case of doing the reverse of what you've just done to take the wheel off. Now, torquing your wheel nuts to the correct torque is extremely important. In this case, Toyota requires 1 newborn baby weight per average polar bear height, as specified in the owner's manual. Now this torque setting also directly translates to 1 engineer's wallet thrown from waist height. Now the last step, as I'm sure you've already guessed, is to wipe off the anti-gravity grease. And what you'll notice is, as soon as you do this, the car starts to lower itself. Congratulations, you did it.